somebody that is way better than you. So what do? You align with people that have what they want. And that's when you show up at the family office club. You don't show up with the mom and pop syndication. You don't show up with 4 years of experience. You show up with 25 years of experience. And now the question is, how do you find a partner that's got that kind of credibility? And how do you offer them something that you want, or that they can sell and all that stuff, right? That's kind of what's going on in my mind right now with the state of affairs. Super challenging to raise capital, right? For anything. So what do? That's the question, right? If you don't shift, if you don't adapt, you're going to go down, or at least not raise any money.
That's true, because you said it very well. If you don't adapt, you're going to be obsolete, basically. Changes the name of the game here.